guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing this festive look right over here for you guys. I am using the Mario. This is their quad palette, you guys. The shade I have here is the Glam Quads in Bronzy Glam, and this is what I'll be incorporating. However, I did decide to use another color for transition shades from another Natasha Denona palette that was included in my Boxy Charm for month of November. Hope you guys enjoyed today's look. I am super happy the way it turned out. I am going to go ahead and tell you one thing though, that this shade right over here works better with your fingers. So if you have long nails, you're gonna have a little bit hard packing this on like I did. I did have to go one too many times with my brush to apply it, and then when I applied a little too much after setting my face, the shadows did flake a little bit. So I had to go back and repack it to get this end result. So I hope you guys are excited. Without further ado, let's get right on to the video.
I'm going to go ahead and start with my Tatcha cream and massage that into my skin, you guys. I'm really enjoying using this product, and that is why I invested in a bigger size. For the brows, I'll be using e.l.f. Cosmetics Brow Pomade in Espresso. I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows and then carve it out using a Profusion concealer, and then blend it further with a Real Technique brush. For the primer, I'll be taking Tatcha Canvas Primer, you guys. This is the first time I'm applying it, and yes, it is a little bit more of a smaller than the normal size of it, and I definitely will be investing it because this is the first time I actually am applying or touching this product, and I'm sold on it. It feels so amazing on the skin. For the foundation, I'll be taking Too Faced Born This Way foundation with Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I'm going to take 2 pumps of each and then blend it together and apply it with a foundation brush. This one right here is from BH Cosmetics. For the concealer, I'll be taking Juvia's concealer, you guys. The shade I am taking here is 18, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that generously under my eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead, and I'm going to start blending it out using my beauty blender. To set this concealer in place, I'll be taking Kylie Cosmetics Translucent Powder. I'm going to take that onto a Crown Brush's tapered brush. Absolutely love this brush for this purpose, and Crown Brush has some of the awesome pro brushes. I absolutely love their line. For the contour, I'll be taking the Wet n Wild Contour Stick in Espresso, and I'm just going to go and blend that out using a Real Technique brush. For the bronzer, I'm going to go ahead and take Fenty Beauty Bronzer. You guys, this is the first time I am going to use this, and it feels like velvet on your skin. Absolutely love it. To contour further, I'll be taking Palladio The Definer Contour Palette. I'm going to mix all 3 shades, and then I'm going to go ahead and contour away using an angled contour brush by Crown Brushes. For the blush, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and take Patrick Ta Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush in shade She's Sincere. You guys, this blush is everything. I love the texture. It is so satin silky, and it makes your skin so glowy. Absolutely love it. For my eyes, I'll be working with Makeup by Mario Quad Palette, and this is what that looks like. You guys, absolutely love the packaging. Comes with 3 metallic and 1 matte shades. But today I'm going to go ahead and start with the Natasha Denona palette. I'm going to take this warm shade and apply that into my crease and blend it down. This palette is actually called Peak, and it comes with 5 eyeshadows, and 1 being metallic and 4 being matte. I'm going to go ahead and place it one more time just to create a little bit more depth before moving on to the highlight. For that, I'll be taking MAC Cosmetics Soft and Gentle. I'm going to pack that towards my brow bone. Now moving on to our quad, I'm going to go ahead and start with this warm shade right over here. I'm going to place that right in between my crease to create the depth. I'm going to go ahead and go in windshield wiper motion to control where and how I want it. Once I'm done packing the shade, I'm going to go ahead and switch the brush to blend out the outer edges to make sure that everything is even and no harsh edges. I will now be taking my Juvia's concealer to create the cut crease. The shade I'll be working with today is a very rustic metallic gold from this quad, and it is absolutely stunning, you guys. But I tried applying it with a synthetic brush first, which it didn't show much, so I decided to go in with my finger, and that did show some color, and I really like the pigmentation. When I packed it onto my lid with my fingers, my nails were becoming a problem. So if you have shorter nails, I would definitely say opt in for your fingers rather than a synthetic brush, because it did take me a lot of time to pack it with a synthetic brush onto my lid. But once it was on, and it was looking stunning. I will be going back with my Natasha Denona warm shade. I'm going to go ahead and pack that towards my lower lash line as my first transition shade. I will now be taking this beautiful different metallic shade from this quad, and I'm going to pack that towards the inner corner onto my lower lash line. To clean up the edges as well as to create more depth, I will be using the very same warm shade from the Quad by Makeup Mario, and I'm going to take that onto a Real Technique liner brush to apply it. If you like, you can definitely skip this step, but I really think that this really enhanced the look and I really liked it. Now that I'm done with my liner and lashes, I will be going back with the same warm shade onto a flat definer shading brush, and I'm going to apply that towards my lower lash line to bring a little bit more depth and as well as definition. For my waterline, I am using NYX Cosmetics Wonder Pencil. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and take my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara to coat my bottom lashes. For the lips, I'm going to outline using a Catrice lip liner, and then I will be taking my Ruby Red by MAC Cosmetics to fill in. To finish off this look, after using the Japanese finishing powder, I will be taking my Hourglass Ambient Highlight Palette. I'm going to mix these two shades together to highlight and bring in the glow. To finish off the look, definitely set your face using your favorite setting spray. Mine is Urban Decay All Nighter.
Alright you guys, so this right here is the finished look. I hope you guys had fun watching it. Definitely give this video a thumbs up to let me know. If you have any comment suggestions, don't forget to leave them down below. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is RC and I absolutely love makeup so much, and that is why I actually started a YouTube channel, so I can kind of share and learn at the same time with you guys. So if you are here to stay, then definitely hit the subscribe button before you head out, and I love you guys and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.